Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete withdrawal process from an online platform called BrutSoftware. This video is recorded in real time, so you can clearly see each step without rushing and without skipping anything important. On the screen right now, you can see my BrutSoftware dashboard. This is the main interface where all activity happens, including balance tracking, account settings, and withdrawal options. I want to take a moment here so you can get familiar with the layout and understand where everything is located. At the top of the dashboard, you can see the account overview. Below that, you'll notice different sections related to balance history, activity logs, and platform tools. Everything you see here is part of the normal user interface. Now I'm navigating to the withdrawal section. This is the area where users can request a transfer from the platform to an external wallet. You'll notice that the platform requires you to carefully enter your wallet information before continuing. At this stage, nothing has been confirmed yet. I'm simply reviewing the details and making sure everything is correct. Taking time at this step is important, especially when dealing with digital assets. You can also see the withdrawal status area. This section updates automatically once a request is submitted. For now, it shows that no transaction has been processed yet. Before confirming anything, I always double-check the wallet destination. Sending funds to the wrong address can result in permanent loss. That's why this step should never be rushed. Now that everything is ready, I proceed with the withdrawal request. The platform processes the request and begins preparing the transaction. At this point, the request is officially submitted. Once submitted, the platform shows the transaction as pending. This is normal and expected. The processing time can vary depending on several factors, including network conditions. While we wait, let's take a closer look at the transaction details page. This page shows the request ID, time, and status. It's important because it allows you to track what's happening with your withdrawal. Everything here is transparent and visible. There are no hidden steps or background actions. This is exactly how the process appears for a normal user. Now let's move over to Trust Wallet. This is the wallet I use to receive transfers from platforms like this. Trust Wallet displays incoming and outgoing transactions clearly, along with timestamps and confirmations. At the moment, the transaction has not appeared yet. This is also normal. Sometimes it takes a short while before the transfer shows up in the wallet interface. While waiting, it's useful to understand how wallet confirmations work. When a transaction is sent, it must be confirmed on the blockchain before it appears as completed. This process ensures security and accuracy. Now, after a short wait, we can see a new transaction appearing in Trust Wallet. It starts as pending and then moves to confirmed once the network verifies it. Let's open the transaction details. Here you can see the transaction hash, confirmation status, and transfer information. Everything matches the request made on the platform. Now that the transaction is confirmed, the balance in the wallet updates automatically. This confirms that the transfer was successfully completed. Now, after this point in the video, I want to show you the exact amount that was withdrawn. The amount transferred from BrutSoftware to my Trust Wallet is 0.002459 Bitcoin. You can see the amount clearly displayed in the transaction details. The number matches exactly what was requested on the platform. There are no missing amounts and no discrepancies. This confirms that the withdrawal process worked correctly from start to finish. The platform sent the funds and the wallet received them successfully. I recorded this video to show the full process, not just the final result. Many people prefer to see the entire journey from dashboard to wallet confirmation. Seeing the steps in real time helps build understanding and clarity. It also allows viewers to decide for themselves after seeing the process. If you're new to platforms like this, it's always a good idea to explore the interface carefully before making any decisions. Understanding how withdrawals work is an important part of using any online platform. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video all the way through. If you found it helpful or informative, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment if you have questions about the process shown here. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video.